In this quick video, we are going to learn how to dynamically show hide fields based on values selected in other fields. In this case, I want to hide product and work estimate fields based on the values selected in the lead type field. More specifically, I want the product field to be visible when the lead type is equal to product license, and the work estimate field to be visible when the lead type is equal to custom project. Let's do it! We'll start off by going to the list view and clicking on KWIZ Forms. This takes us to the KWIZ Forms landing page. I'll select the first feature. Now let's set up the rules to hide or show our fields. First, I'll select the column that I want to make changes to. I'll start with the product field. Then I'll pick which forms I want the rule to apply to. And I want to hide the field. Now let's set up our conditions. I want to hide the product field when the lead type is not equal to product license. I'll click on the apply button. Now let's go ahead and do the same for the work estimate field. Once again, I want to hide the field, and I'm adding the condition. When the lead type is not equal to custom project, I'll click on the apply button. Now let's go back, refresh our page, and look at the results. If I select product license, the product field is displayed. If I select custom project, work estimate field is displayed. And if I select any other value, both fields are hidden. Thank you for watching this video on how to create dynamic rules with KWIZ Forms.